In recent years, corner spout pouches have become increasingly popular due to their convenient design and versatility. These pouches are commonly used for packaging liquids such as juice, sauces, and detergent, and their unique shape and spout make them easy to pour and store. If you are interested in creating your own corner spout pouches, here are some steps to help you get started. 1. Spout Pouch Design. The first step in making a corner spout pouch is to create a design that includes the dimensions and shape of the pouch, as well as the placement of the spout. Consider the type of product you will be packaging and how the pouch will be used when determining the design. 2. Choose the material. Select a suitable material for your pouch that is flexible, durable, and compatible with the product you will be packaging. Common materials for corner spout pouches include laminated films, which provide barrier protection and can be printed with custom designs. 3. Printing and lamination. Once you have chosen the material for your pouch, it will need to be printed with any desired graphics or branding. After printing, the material will be laminated to provide additional strength and protection. 4. Forming and sealing. The next step is to form the pouch by sealing the edges of the material and leaving an opening for the spout. This can be done using a heat sealing process or other suitable method. 5. Adding the spout. Once the pouch is formed, the spout will need to be added. This can be done by heat sealing a pre-made spout onto the pouch, or by incorporating the spout into the pouch during the forming and sealing process. 6. Filling and sealing. After the spout is in place, the pouch can be filled with the product and sealed using a heat sealing process. It is important to ensure that the pouch is properly sealed to prevent leakage. 7. Quality control. Finally, it is important to perform quality control checks to ensure that the pouches are properly formed, sealed, and filled. This may include testing the pouches for leaks, inspecting the printing for accuracy, and checking the overall appearance of the pouches. In conclusion, creating corner spout pouches requires careful planning, attention to detail, and the use of suitable materials and equipment. By following these steps, you can produce high-quality pouches that are both functional and visually appealing. Whether you are a manufacturer looking to produce pouches for your products, or an entrepreneur interested in starting a packaging business, mastering the art of making a pouch with side spout can be a valuable skill.